Now this puppy popped right out of the door. And you squeeze. You see? Come on, puppy. Do a one-hander. Yay. So there you have it. This is part number. Squeeze and unplug. Now what I did to get this puppy out, I pushed up from the inside. See? I think you can probably get it from the top. I wouldn't do so because technically if you push up, it will pop out. So can we get something in here? Let's try. Yes, you can. See? Just turn. It'll pop right out. Cool. So there you go. 2 different ways of doing it. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.